Still waiting for the international weather news to discuss something other than warming and heat and fire. Not that those don't matter, but here in the West we're getting good coverage of those fires and heat, and I'm not sure we're seeing any such coverage of what's happened to the Americas here nearly a full month before winter. 5 record-breaking cold and snow events already, and the flash floods hitting the southern portions of those systems are adding devastation to the frigid cold. It's not over yet, as another storm is approaching the coast where Oregon happened to take a quake overnight. That is the central low as well, charging eastward towards the Midwest and Appalachia. Eyes open. Also want to quickly note the Philippines while we're here at the wind maps. Typhoon on approach, likely to arrive tomorrow or Monday. So folks, we have the detection of a geomagnetic precursory signal before California earthquakes. Color me shocked. But just as important as their confirming something that we've been using for 3 years was their calling out tremendous cultural noise at the surface. Homes, cars, phones, grids, TV, radio, etc. And this has been my number one issue with ground-based sensors for quake prediction. The remote sensing from satellites not only gives you the same data, but it's unpolluted by the surface activity. And those satellites don't break when there actually is a quake or lightning near the detector. You want to predict earthquakes? Many already are. Up next, not sure I'll be volunteering for this one, but kudos to the advancement of science. In an attempt to further study the effects of cosmic rays on biology, they are developing a wild iron ion gun to blast little creatures in an attempt to learn more about our cosmic environmental interactions. And speaking of little life, it now has a better shot at being noticed now as the false positive prevention phase of astrobiology is really kicking into gear. Detection and false negatives have been on the table for a while, but what about the mineral deposits that look like organic material? Just natural formations that could trick us into thinking it was life. Much less chance of that trick now. Going deeper into space next, we are used to seeing the cosmic jet of the galactic nucleus blow north and south of the equatorial